Welcome to Acme Software Works, where the craft of software engineering is practiced. In this video we will be exploring the selection sort algorithm. The selection sort algorithm sorts an array by repeatedly finding the minimum element in the unsorted portion and adding it to the end of the sorted portion of the array. The implementation of the selection sort algorithm contains two loops. An outer loop which traverses the entire array, and an inner loop which traverses the unsorted portion of the array looking for the unsorted minimum element. Once the inner loop has traversed the unsorted portion of the array and has determined the minimum element, the minimum element is swapped with first element of the unsorted portion, thus extending the sorted portion. This process is repeated until all the elements of the unsorted portion of the array are moved to the sorted portion. Now let's watch as this unfolds. Note, then when we start, the entire array is unsorted and the sorted portion will start in the first position and grow from there.
The blue elements are the sorted portion of the array and the red are the unsorted portion. The yellow element is the current minimum element candidate. The white element is the boundary between the sorted and unsorted portion of the array, and the cyan is the element being tested. The selection sort algorithm's big O is consistently n squared.
Note, the 5 is the sorted portion of the array and will grow from there. Now let's speed it up and watch it finish. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.